I'm gonna throw some nuts out there and I'm gonna watch the little squirrels come eat. They just were out there. Can you see them in my tree? And that one there, he's going back across the street. I guess he lives over there. They know when I drop the nuts because the nuts make a sound on that part of the sidewalk. So every single day, there he's got a nut. He's a good, healthy looking one, isn't he? I got a walnut and some almonds out there. The bag of mixed nuts that they sell, around the holidays, they marked them like almost half off. They're only like $2.50 a bag instead of $4 something. So I've got these nuts, and I can throw a handful out at a time, and then I got a whole stash of the mixed nuts to feed them with. I got 3 bags here. That way they won't have to go hungry in the winter when they don't have berries and whatever else they normally eat. But I put bird seed out. I get a little flock, those little tiny, I don't know, they're finches. They go inside these bushes here and get away from the wind, because I'll see them fly out of the bush when I come out of the house. That's great. I'm glad they're eating the seed. And I'll just go along back to where the squirrels might be. I scared it off. Well, I hope you all have a good holiday. Today is the 23rd, so it's Christmas Eve. No, tomorrow's Christmas Eve. All right, it's December 23rd. This is Gathering Place.